Well, we can't talk about summer without talking about food. Food is memories, right? And summer calls for plenty of both. So we say embrace the flavors of a sun-soaked summer with just a few recipes you'll have on repeat all summer long. Wendy Paul joining me in the kitchen today to share the summer recipes you should know by heart. Everybody, welcome Wendy to our Summer Take Me Away show. Wendy is a favorite around here, and you got some of your favorites. Summer is such a busy time for women, as you know, as I know. You say these recipes should just be in our brain.
They should be in our brain. They should be simple and things that we can have on hand for a quick friend lunch, like we just saw, that cute idea, or like gathering at a water pad, like a water park with your kids. You know, you don't have to eat peanut butter and jelly all the time, right?
Oh, good.
Right.
Bless you for that.
Yes.
Bless you for that. Dino Nuggets have run their course.
They sure
Let's start with a recipe. It's easy, as you promised, but it embraces all the flavors of summer. It's a fresh corn salsa.
It's a fresh corn salsa, so you're not even going to cook the corn before you use it, which I loved because that just simplifies your recipe a little bit more. And you could use frozen corn too. I found that it had the same sweet flavor that you get from fresh corn. And so I actually used 2 bags of, I believe, let's see, it's the Petite White by Bird's Eye. And I found that that was great.
Nice, nice.
Yep. So it's corn, it's cilantro, it's a little bit of avocados, some red onions. So very simple, right? And then the corn is going to be the star of the show. So you could omit avocado, like if you didn't have any on hand, that's totally fine. You'll still eat it all. And then it has a little bit of flavor. So it's got lime juice, salt, cumin, and a little bit of chili powder.
I'm salivating.
I know.
My mouth is getting watery.
So that's like the first idea, was the corn salsa. This usually gets completely eaten by the end of the night.
Yum. Can I serve this up while you move to the next one?
Okay, we've got some bowls so you guys can taste test.
Yay.
Okay,
what's our next recipe?
So the next one is going to be a shrimp cocktail. So with the shrimp cocktail, I kind of went off the basis as let's layer our flavors, right? Because I'm all about bringing more flavor in. So to the water that I'm going to simmer the shrimp in, I'm going to add a few things. Okay. All right. So of course we're going to add some butter.
Butter.
I know, butter makes everything better, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So a couple tablespoons of butter goes into your water.
I feel like, I know it's simple, you promised, I believe you, but I feel like this is a little step up in the world of simple that would make any backyard barbecue feel a little bit extra.
Because it has a little bit more flavor, a little bit extra special. Right. So a little bit of peppercorns, okay? We're flavoring the water, which will then flavor the shrimp.
Nice.
All right, we've got a half of lemon. I'm just gonna throw this right in here. Okay, we've got some garlic. You could do garlic powder or garlic cloves. Super simple. And of course, you're gonna want to salt the water because this is where you're gonna salt your shrimp. Okay, so be generous. Think it's salty like the sea, right?
I think of that and I think of you every time I do
salty
it
like the sea. Okay,
that.
Then you're going to add your shrimp in. Okay, you're gonna use a slotted spoon, and as it starts to go pink, you're gonna pull it out.
And it will go quickly.
Yeah, it does go very fast. So you don't wanna cook it to where it's really, really like a tight O. You want it to be more like a C. Okay. So it's very visual. I think shrimp is very visual.
Before. Good
job. You want it to be pink and just beautiful. It'll be really tender and kind of pop when you bite into it.
Okay, and it's soaking up all the flavor that we put in that water, and we're serving it with a cocktail sauce?
Yep, cocktail sauce. So I just bought a store-bought sauce, add a little bit of lemon juice and a little more salt just to kind of, you know.
Zhuzh it.
Yeah, just give it a little bit more.
Is anyone else hungry right now?
Yeah,
this is what she does too. It's delicious. Okay, one more for us, Miss Wendy.
So the next one is home fries. There is not a barbecue that goes by that we don't make home fries. Okay. All right. So super simple. You can up this, double it, whatever you need. Basically, you're going to cut your potatoes into nice little wedges right here. You're going to season it with a really good olive oil. I love Napa Valley olive oil, some basil, some salt, and you're gonna bake them into submission.
Okay. Bake them into
submission, and then you're going to, you can even broil them for a minute or two if you wanted to get a little extra crispy, and then you're gonna top with some Parmesan cheese. But I came up with 3 ways you could up your ante on these home-style fries. The first one is Greek. So that's what we're going to show you today. So I found this really good feta cheese. It's a goat and sheep feta cheese, and I love it.
Oh, yum.
It's so creamy and has the best texture, right?
Yes, yes.
Then we're going to do a little bit of green onion.
Okay.
Okay.
I want to come to your barbecues.
You can come anytime. I will feed you. We're going to do some oregano. Okay. So if you don't have fresh oregano, I love this freeze-dried because it tastes really, really good. The flavor's still there. Okay. So a little bit of oregano because that's kind of, you know, Greek.
Yes, yes.
2 things go to the same. And then we're going to zest some lemon on top.
Yum.
Right? You could even do some lemon juice. Okay, so that will just give a brightness to your potato fries, your home fries.
All right.
Okay, you could do BLT, which is another option, like cheddar cheese, bacon, tomato, parsley, or you could even do, I found this at the store and I may have bought like 10 of them. It is a honey sriracha seasoning, and I think it's gonna go on pretty much everything this year.
This is your go-to.
Right? So make sure you pick that up at the store. But yeah.
Where can we get more recipes from you?
So follow me on Instagram, The Real Wendy Paul. We have lots of fun, and there's lots of really good recipes that are easy, that you're able to do in the summer so you can enjoy all the fun.
Like these 3 that we will be making all summer long. Wendy Paul, everybody. Thank you, Wendy.
Thank you.